is August 12th, 2025, and we are now in chapter 6 of John, verse 26. This is a very beautiful passage, and I think this is the first time that I have read this passage in a different manner. So it says, Jesus answered them. I need to blow my nose. Excuse me. Jesus answered them and said, Verily, verily, I say unto you, ye seek me, not because ye saw the miracles, but because ye did eat of the loaves and were filled. So these people, they know that Jesus does a lot of miracles in his time on earth. So every time that they hear that Jesus is coming to like their place or into this particular house or something, people would gather because they would want to see the miracles, and also they would want to be filled, they want to eat, because I think bread and loaves are they are not easy to prepare, so they would want something instant, instant hunger, instant food. They want to be instantly full, they want to instantly eat, they want instant everything. So because of that, they were there because they were waiting for the bread. It's like every church service, you just wait for the end because there's free food or something. So these people were like that. So Jesus rebuked them, saying that they were not there because they want to see the miracle. They believe the miracles that Jesus did. They were not there for that. They were not there for spiritual things at all. They were not there for the teaching of Jesus Christ, but just for the bread, but just for their physical needs. So sometimes we are like that. We just go to God because we want something in the physical, in the physical aspect of our life. So for example, we need money, we need food, we need Him to do something for us that is like to be convenient, and not because we trust Him, not because we want to be very close to Him. We're like doing it as a last resort and not really getting closer to Him, not really savoring His word. So let us not be like that. Let the priority be closer to God. Of course, Jesus is our friend. He is our provider. He said so in His word. There is nothing wrong with going to God because we need money, we need food, because we know that He will provide for that. But the motive should be right. The motive for going to Him should not be because we just need Him to do something very convenient for us, and then we would toss Him away after He grants our prayer. So let us not be like that. Let the priority be because we want to be closer to Him, and we want His will to be shown to us, and we want Him to guide us in our decisions. So I think that's it.